Wetin Igbo don't do now? We make una hate Igbo so much. Igbos don't claim una land by force. That makes everybody want to say the Igbos are bad. They hate the Igbos because the Igbos are resilient, independent beings. Igbo this, Igbo that. Igbo this, Igbo that. You know what they pay me right now? The way they promote Igbophobia for our society. It hurts. And why the hurt parts be say, people where you expect to use their brain, think, sit down, ask yourself question, say, this Igbophobia, this hatred for Igbo, where would they spread? Does it really make sense? Is it true? So this campaign of calumny against the Igbos, which non-Igbos have spread across over the years, the thing don't they eat into some of our people head. If person tell you, say, no be your father born you, eh? Now your hand the day to say, no, now my papa born me. Now my brother be this. Why have you become so myopic? So gullible? I'm asking my Igbo speaking brothers outside the southeastern states. Talking about Igbos from Delta, Igbos from Rivers, the Kwere people and all. Okay, una be Igbos. How can Onye Mechi be saying it's not an Igbo man? How can Chukwuemeka be saying it's not an Igbo man? Delta Igbos. What experiences have you had with the Igbos that makes you believe that the Igbos are wicked? I cannot be in the southeast. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. Keke Rike. Wetin Igbo don't do now? We make una hate Igbo so much. Igbos don't claim una land by force. That makes everybody want to say the Igbos are bad. They hate the Igbos because the Igbos are resilient, independent beings who strive to survive. I don't care what anybody says. I'm from Iseluku. I'm South now. But I would love to be in the Southeast because I've spent close to 10 years of my life in the East. I schooled at ESUT, Enugu State University of Science and Technology. I did my pre-science in Nsukka for 1 year. And I enjoyed every minute I spent at Nsukka. The people are so lovely, welcoming. I moved to Enugu. I spent 5 years in Enugu, 5 good years in Enugu, and there was no difference. I felt at home. So all this nonsense talk, say South is this, Igbo, I can never be with an Igbo man. Oga, the Igbo man has done nothing to you. If for nothing, make you get sense. When people, they use your head, make you know you as a human being. Know that this is promulgated over time by other ethnic groups to give you the impression that the Igbos are wicked. The Igbos are not wicked. Anioma is Igbo.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that our brother from Iseluku said. He asked, what did Igbos did to those people that hate them? Igbos did nothing to anyone. The Igbos are only hated because Igbos are hardworking. Igbos are smart people. Igbos are resilient people. Igbos are great people. Igbos are so successful. Igbos are mighty people. Igbos are so great. They say greatness attracts hate. Success attracts hate. These are the reasons why the Igbos are being hated. How do you expect someone that came from a poor tribe to love the Igbo race? How do you expect a tribe that is backward, tribe where we say Inorish Igbo have, how you think say people from that tribe go love the Igbo race? They cannot love the Igbos. If you check the percentage where Igbo take pass so many of these tribes we hate them, you go shock. If you are from that tribe self, you go even they hate the Igbos. It only takes the grace of understanding for people from such tribe not to hate the Igbos. If not, person where come from tribe where they say they're not the hear name for Nigeria go hate the Igbos. Now, if you look in Nigeria today, Igbos are the best. Igbos are the highest. Igbos are the greatest when it comes to commerce. When it comes to business, Igbos are the first. If you check the highest importers in Nigeria, Igbos are the first. The highest importers in Lagos are the Igbos. The highest importers in Anambra State are the Igbos. The highest importers in Abia State are the Igbos. Igbos import at least 70% to 80% of goods that are coming into Nigeria. You see, these are the reasons why Igbos are so successful. This is why Igbos make so much money. Igbos are the richest tribe in Nigeria. When you become the richest, people will hate you. You don't expect these poor people to love we Igbos. Our success is the reason why we Igbos are being hated in this country called Nigeria. So, we Igbos, we did nothing to those that hate us. We pass them, we don't pass them. Now why they pepper them for body? Our brother here said that non-Igbos are the ones spreading hate against the Igbos everywhere. And that the hate propaganda that is being spread by non-Igbos have eaten up the South Igbos by making them to hate the Southeast Igbos. This is to tell you that not only the Igbo unification movement are seeing Yoruba and Benin people spreading hate against the Igbos. So many people are seeing it. Which tribes are the major tribes spreading hate against the Igbos in this country? It's Yoruba and Benin people. We have to be calling their names so that people will know that these people are evil. Yoruba people are ready to do everything possible and not possible to make sure that they bring themselves back and not the Igbos. If they tell Yoruba people say, may they sacrifice all their children just to make sure say, then go back and not the Igbos, Yoruba people, they ready to kill all their children and do sacrifice. These people are so evil. Like, if they're born Pekin, they go start from childhood. They tell that Pekin say, Igbo people are evil. Avoid Igbo people. Yoruba people say it with their mouth that their parents tell them that Igbos are bad people. So they take and grow. And that is why in Nigeria, when it comes to bigotry, now Yoruba people carry for it, they are number one in bigotry. Even their pastors, their jet pastors, all of them are bigots. That was why during the time of Goodluck Jonathan, Adeboye protested against him. So many Yoruba pastors were protesting against Goodluck Jonathan. Tinubu, their brother, enter. Adeboye was nowhere to be found to protest. Why? Bigotry. These people not good. They're too evil. Wole Soyinka was protesting. He led a protest against Goodluck Jonathan. A brother Tinubu enter. He not come out to protest. Even up till now, where we say country don't turn upside down. Wole Soyinka is nowhere to be found. This is to tell you that Yoruba people, they are so wicked and evil. Bigotry don't chop these people. Even the most respected people in their land, all of them are bigots. Their pastor, bigots. Wole Soyinka, where they call intellectual for their side, bigots. Come Benin people, Yoruba people, they are the ones telling Ghana people, telling South Africa people to start attacking the Igbos. We have seen so many live sessions on TikTok and on Twitter whereby Yoruba people are on TikTok live telling South Africans to start killing the Igbos, to start burning Igbo shops, to start deporting the Igbos in their country. Where our poor Yoruba people spit for face. Yoruba people are the major people spreading hate against the Igbos. During the 1966 coup, Yoruba people were the ones saying that the coup was an Igbo coup. During the Civil War, Yoruba people were the ones that told Gowon to block border for hunger to kill the Igbos. Yoruba people. This tell that these people not good. Yoruba and Benin people are the ones telling the South Igbos that South Igbos are not Igbos. Telling them that they are not brothers with the Southeast. Now Yoruba and Benin people, they propagate them. The last time I made a video countering a Yoruba boy who is suffering from rabies. He came online saying that Anyama people are not Igbos. He's a Yoruba boy. This is why I told you that Yoruba people are evil. So many of them evil. 90% of them are evil. They will just put camera telling you that Anyama people are not Igbos. Telling you that Ikwere people are not Igbos. Telling you that Obaekwe people are not Igbos. So when we say that there are people propagating online that Igbos are evil, that Sasa Igbos are not Igbos, the people propagating it are Yoruba and Benin people. Our brother from Iseluku said that if someone tells you that your father is not your father, that you should tell the person that your father is your father and that person is your brother. This is what we and Yoma people are supposed to be doing, and that is what we are doing. Yoruba and Benin people are telling people that we Anyama people are not Igbos. They are telling people that South Igbos are not Igbos. We, the South Igbos, are telling them that we are Igbos and that we are one people with the Southeast. Nobody can divide the Igbo race. They never born that person. I said I'm from Ukwane. I'm an Igbo man. Yoruba and Bini people are in the comment section telling me that I'm not an Igbo person. This is to tell you that these people are evil. Yoruba people lost Ilorin to the Fulani. They want we Igbos to also lose the South Igbos, just as they lost Ilorin to Fulani. But we are here to tell them no. We are not failures like them. Ilorin is gone forever. Till eternity, Ilorin is Fulani territory. So we South Igbos, we need to wake up and speak against these people. We are making progress already. As you can see, so many Ika people, Okwane people, Enuane people, River State Igbos are telling the world that they are Igbo people. Our voice don't pass those ones, so they thought they not be Igbos. We are bigger than identity crisis. We are bigger than those sponsoring identity crisis in Igbo land. Yoruba people will only come online to speak rubbish. They cannot come to Okwane land and tell we Okwane people, you people are not Igbos. But they go tell that person. No one has the right to tell me where I came from. I am the one that will tell the world where I came from. I'm from Okwane. Okwane is Igbo. Ika people are Igbos. Enuane people are Igbos. Oshimiri Ajancha are Igbos. River State Igbos are Igbos. Opobo people are Igbos. A non-Igbo has no right to tell us that we are not Igbos. To tell us where we came from. That person has no right. Our brother said that Igbos from Delta and rivers are Igbos. How can people be bearing Igbo names and say they are not Igbos? This is what we call propaganda. This is what propaganda have done to our people. Imagine people from Anioma will be telling you that they are not Igbos. They bear Igbo names. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Their way of life is Igbo. Their food is Igbo. Their dance is Igbo. Everything about them is Igbo. They speak Igbo language, no other language but Igbo. But yet, they will come out and be telling you that they are not Igbos. All these things is propaganda. False information. This is why our people are expected to make research, to know their history. Even without making research, knowing that these people understand you, you understand them, is enough reason for you to know that you are brothers with the Southeast. Anybody will be say their community they speak the same language with your own community. Now your brother I be. The Igbos in River State, most especially Ikwere or Bandekwe people, they will be telling you, hey, they are not Igbo people. They are not Igbo people. If they mention the name of all their ancestors are bearing Igbo names. Or by Ekwe and some part of Ikwere people will be telling you, their founder is Akalaka. Akalaka is the name of their founder. Where is Akalaka from? They will tell you Akalaka is from Benin. Telling you different stories. Is Akalaka a Benin name? No. Go meet Oba of Benin. Tell him, Oba, what is the meaning of Akalaka? He no go fit tell you. He go tell you say Akalaka is not a Benin word. There is no word in Benin called Akalaka. We have seen so many idiots from Benin that call themselves historians, telling people that Akalaka is a Benin word, that the name is not actually Akalaka, that is Akalakala. So I said it's Alakalaka. Animals. So you couldn't people don't know the name of their ancestors again. You couldn't say that the name of their ancestor is Akalaka. Or but I said Akalaka. Everybody said Akalaka. So now you Benin people go tell you say Akalaka been Alakalaka. Many Benin people now mumu. What's the meaning of Akalaka for Ikure? That they talk another thing. What's the meaning of Akalaka for Oba? That they talk another thing. What's the meaning of Akalaka for Ikwe? That they talk another thing. Same different meaning for just one simple name. Akalaka has a brother called Ochichi. What's the meaning of Ochichi? Ochichi means ruler, leader. Ochichi also means darkness. These two men ran out from Benin. Oba Benin won't kill them. They run come out from there. Today now they decided that they claim say they be Benin people so that they don't go identify with their Igbo brothers because of politics. Just see what identity crisis they do here so wicked. You just come online, they talk anyhow. Why? Identity crisis. Identity crisis is not no age. 100 years man can be suffering from identity crisis. That's why you go come up an elder of 100 years go to tell you say he not be Igbo person. And now what you know of that your ancestor that came from Benin, they go start to call for you Abolaka, Ezechime, or Dimegu. They're going to call for you Igbo names. Is Benin bearing Ndoka? Is Benin bearing or Dimegu? They will tell you no. Now, which people they bear that name? Where you corner, they go tell you Igbo people. Okwan people they bear the name. So are those people Benin people? They will start to look you. Identity crisis is very bad. This is why we are here to tell our people that we are Igbo people. We are here telling our people the reasons why we are Igbo people. When you hear the word Igbo, they are not talking about the Southeast alone. They are talking about South Igbos, Middle Belt Igbos, and Southeast Igbos. All of us are Igbos. The same way Yoruba people hate the Southeast Igbos, it's the same way they hate we South Igbos. Yoruba man, when they tell you South Igbo, say you and Southeast Igbo not be brother. That Yoruba man hate you past Southeast. They're not like you. They are just turning you against your brothers. That's why if you Southside person say that you are Igbos, Yoruba man don't hate you. He already hate you, but once you tell us say Igbo, he don't hate you the more. Because you don't see say, in plan don't they fail. You're not breaking his plans. Yoruba people see the Igbos as their rival in this country. That's why they are doing everything possible to take themselves backward and not the Igbos. So those people that are telling you, you and Yama people, you Ikore people are not Igbos, they don't love you. They hate us just like they hate the Southeast. Anybody who hates Southeast hates South Igbos. Those Anema people they don't say, make we get Anema state, make we not join Southeast, make we do South. All those Anema people don't know who they be again. You they speak Igbo, you don't want to join Southeast. Are you not a fool? Anema will be a very strong region of Igbo land. You want make we do South where they're not like us. South people don't love us. The same way other tribes in South hate the Southeast is the same way they hate we Anema people. The same way they hate River State Igbos. And that is why we are expected to unite, have a single voice, identify as one people, to be strong in politics, to increase our population, to increase our land mass. No matter what happened in the past, we are one people with the Southeast. The South and Southeast should come together as a people. No matter what happened during the past, we still remain one people. What happened don't happen. Whether Southeast they are for to, whether Anyama people they are for to, we are one people, we remain brothers. And we must unite, must stay inside. This one, we say we shall unite, we will unite, maybe we unite. We must unite, Igbos must unite. Our brother said that Igbos never claimed anyone's land. If you go Lagos, land where Igbo people get for there, they buy them. Anyama here, land where Igbo people get for here, they buy them. All over the world, now buy Igbos, they buy land, they're not the invade person land, they're not the steal person land. So those of you that are spreading propaganda, Igbos will come and take our land, they will come and take our throne, they will come and take our government, they will start ruling us if they join us to the Southeast. Keep believing in propaganda and lies. Now they believe all those rubbish. Igbos don't thief land, they don't steal land, they buy land, they build, they invest, they develop. Our brother said that he spent some of his years in the Southeast and that he enjoyed his stay there. That the people there are so lovely. He said that there's no difference between us. You see, so many people that are saying that we Anama people are not Igbos, they have not traveled. That's why it's good to travel, find money, travel, launch hotels, see things. No matter if you travel, go Roboland, you no can ever see anything where proves all of us are the same people. No matter if you travel, go Isoko land, Ijo land, Bini, you no go see any resemblance, say we Okwani and them are the same. But if you go Anambra State, you don't meet our people there. Go all around Southeast, we and them are brothers, no difference. Southeast people are nice people, they are good people, they are loving people, they are caring people. I did my senior work in the Soka. Those people are nice. Then they give us food for their job. Very nice people. I'm talking from experience. They will tell say Igbos are bad people, Igbos are bad people. The people they tell say Igbos are bad people, are they better than the Igbos? Yoruba people are there destroying the houses of Igbos in Lagos. As they destroy Igbo's house for Lagos, if you be another person your house, they will see destroy your house because you be Igbo man. Yoruba people where evil, they tell you say your Igbo brothers are evil. You they believe them, you are a fool. If you believe such a thing, you are a fool. So if you want me to stop to call you fool, you must stop believing in those nonsense. Our Igbo brothers are nice people. Anyama people are Igbos, whether they like it or not. And Anyama state must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast where we belong. We must never allow enemies to divide us. Stop believing in propaganda. No one loves Anyama people more than the Southeast. And no one loves the Southeast more than Anyama people. Igbos love themselves. So we are expected to do everything possible to crush this propaganda against the Igbos. Senator Debunking is doing everything possible to make sure that he actualizes Anyama State for us, and we are expected to support him. Make sure that Anyama State is being zoned to the Southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. And we must never allow animals from other tribes to divide us. Ishiawale.